it going, everybody? I hope you're having a most wonderful day. Today we're going to be discussing something not really car related per se, although it is a tool that I use on a car, but it's more as what we are causing out there in the American trade market. And what is that? We'll be right back and I'll show you. Welcome back. So glad you could stay. What I am talking about is the economy, basically, and what we do as Americans to really drive it bonkers, completely bonkers. Case in point, this light. Remember me getting it? The very, very bright light. Still working good and everything. But I had seen these, and this I added to the problem. I had seen these online on some videos and stuff, and I was like, man, I really need one of those, because, you know, me being a mechanic now, I can stick it on the hood and angle it to get it to go just where I need it to shine. Well, I wasn't wanting to pay $60. So what do? Like so many of you out there are guilty of. I got online, eBay, Amazon, found one. $13, right? Not a bad deal, $13. So I bought it, I ordered it, it came in, I read the review on it and everything, and I read the description, and I checked it against what was said on the actual company website, okay? And it came, and you could tell immediately when I opened it up, okay, that something just wasn't right. I wasn't sure what it was. I thought, well, maybe this is just how they do it. So I did the review and everything. And like I said, the light still works. Right? The light still works really, really good. Now, with that said, about the, excuse me, 5th or 6th comment I got was from the company Astro Pneumatics. They're the ones that make this type of light. Okay? And they said what they thought was that I got a fake. Which is the second part of what this video is about. The American economy, how we're killing it, and being scammed and getting fakes. What I have in my hand is a fake Astro pneumatic light. I did not know it at the time. I did not know it when I did the review. So with that said, I'm going to apologize to all of you that have seen that video. The link in it is correct. You will be linked to an affiliate account on Amazon to get the real light, okay? But like I said, I checked out the listing on eBay, I checked out their reviews, I checked out their feedback. Everything seemed legit. And then, like I said, when I opened it up, I just knew something wasn't quite right. Then when I tried to set it on a flat surface with the magnet, it wouldn't set flat. So I was like, well, I'll contact the company, you know, afterwards and see. Well, I never got that far because the company contacted me. Now, you want to talk about great customer service. I owe these guys a gratitude, a big thank you that you could not believe. Because let's face it, like I said, we go online and we try to find the product cheap. And then when we get it, not knowing that it's a fake, like I said, and I'll put the listing here for all of you to see. It's listed as a real deal light. It doesn't say like Astro Pneumatics. It doesn't say a copy of Astro. Nothing. Even the name, the title of the sale said Astro Pneumatic Cob Light. Okay. Astro Pneumatic is the one that contacted me in my comments, like I was saying. And they sent me the real light. So what we're going to do now is open this up together. As you can see, it's completely taped just the way they sent it. And compare it against the fake one. So let's get it open. Got my opener. Now the person that contacted me and sent me this product is, like I said, from Astro Pneumatics. His name is Chris Pettit. Super nice guy. Hey Cooper, you helping me? Super nice guy. I mean, he went out of his way. He offered to send this to me at no charge. And I told him that I'd be more than happy to take it at no charge. But that I wanted to do a comparison video showing the differences, okay, between them. And the reason I said that we are doing our economy a disservice, we're actually screwing it up. What? It's multifaceted, okay? We buy this thinking that it's this, okay, at a cheap price. Then we use it, the magnet ain't just right. Well, they had a bad run of magnets, we'll put out some kind of excuse. Then we're like, well, when it breaks or we drop it the first time or the lens starts hazing over, Astro Pneumatic makes crappy products. No, Astro Pneumatics doesn't make crappy products. They put in the R&D, they put in the research, they put in the testing, and marketed it at a certain price to where it was very affordable to everybody, and then somebody like me comes along, wants it at a cheaper price, and looks elsewhere. But the point is, we buy the fake, think it's the real thing. They've spent untold amount of hours and money on the real deal, and then when this breaks, we badmouth them, not even having the real thing. We're sitting there, I wouldn't buy that light if I was you, it's crap. Well, let's finish and opening it up. I just want to get that off my chest. Very nice packaging, and already I could tell a huge difference. Okay? Let me show you. This is the box the original came in. When I seen this, I was like, what? Really? I hope this is in focus too, by the way. My camera's not autofocus, not the one you're seeing me on. And then, it's a small, slender box. There's really no instructions on it, no writing. All you have is that little bit on the very back. And immediately as I open up this box, look at the difference in the size of the box. Look at that. I mean, right away, Astro Pneumatic, right there on the box. As a matter of fact, let me put my old man specs on so I can read some of this. Astro Pneumatic Tool Company, 410 lumen rechargeable cob LED slim light. It has heavy duty swivel lock base, features a removable 20-pound magnet if you don't want to use the magnet. A unique dial power switch, has fluid variable adjustment from 0 to 410 lumens of light output, 10-hour work time. This one only has 3. At 50%, 2.5 hours at full power. So full power, they're pretty close. 40 chip cob light array with light density many times higher than SMD LEDs while consuming less power. Externally and internally designed for harsh conditions and dirty environments. And then on the back it's got more, which I won't read all of it, but I will go over the, well, let me just go over the specs and then I'll read what he sent me. Heavy duty swivel lock base, features a removable 20-pound, 10-hour work time, you've got all that. USB rechargeable, includes wall adapter and micro USB capable. A Samsung lithium ion 2200 mAh battery, charge time 4 hours. Overcharge protection and auto idle mode. The length is 13.9 without the magnet and 14.8 width, and it weighs 0.44 pounds. What are doing my, there it is. And that's what he sent me in the email when I contacted. The same exact stuff. Because I was wanting to ask him about the difference. Now I asked about a discount for you guys if you were interested in one of these, for the channel. Not for me, for you. But the thing is, this is the actual company that makes the product. They're not the retailers. They're the wholesalers. They make them and send them out to all the distributors and everything, and they sell it. So they weren't able to help me out with a discount. I did ask for you guys to try to, you know, help with the price a little bit. And, you know, I can understand that. I really can. Now let's open it up. I mean, just look at that. Complete difference in packaging all the way around. Now we're going to open it up. And as I open it up, you won't be able to see it, but it has all the God, what is it called? I can't even think right this second. UL listings, that's what it is. It has all the UL stuff on the end of it. And I can tell you right now, let me go get it as a matter of fact. Be right back. Sorry about that, but I wanted to get it so we could compare. This is the one that came with the fake, okay? Nowhere on it, I put a P on it because I use this at work and I wanted everybody to know this is my charger. I put a P on it. But nowhere on it is anything about a UL listing. There's a, let me take that back. There is a UL listing on there. But oddly enough, this is a phone charger. It's a Motorola. I can't see, I don't know if you can tell or not. I'm going to try to get it to come through. But right there is the Motorola label. What the heck? There's the one that came with the Astro pneumatic, and I'll try to keep this short. There's a straight plug-in. It's got the UL listing on the side, like I said. It's a straight plug-in. It's about the same size overall, but there's more heft to it, if that makes any logic at all. There's more heft to this one. And their USB charging cable is longer. This is the one that came with the cheap one, and this is the one that came with the new one, the real one. And then of course it comes with all the information, the important notice stickers, the Astro pneumatic registration, and the warning pack and stuff that comes with it. Weight wise, this is the real one. Weight wise, they're pretty much the same. They really are. The light strip in the real one is slimmer than the fake one. And of course on the back of the light it says Astro 40SL, and it's got the name and everything on there, as you can see. I can tell automatically the magnet is better. It actually has felt on the bottom of it to prevent you from scratching anything that you stick it to. Where this one has nothing. This one is flat. I can see and feel that it's flat. This one you can see that the magnet is actually sticking up in the middle past the screw that's holding the magnet is sticking up past the bottom. That's why it won't set flat. This one has no such. I say they weigh pretty close to the same. They do. I'm going to have to charge it because, as you can see, there's no charge. It's dead. That's alright. I can immediately tell a difference in the trigger too. The rotating trigger or rotating switch. I can immediately tell a difference. This has a... If you've ever taken a button and pushed it on something and tried turning it, if you push it too far, you know how it drags? That's how the cheap one feels. That's how the fake one feels. The real one is real smooth. It's almost fluid-like. It is very, very smooth. I might get this in there and get it on charge so I can try it out. The hanger is almost identical in every way. They did a good job copying it. They did. But this is ABS plastic. I've dropped it twice already. Well, I didn't drop it, I knocked it off at work twice and was scared to death, especially after I found out it was a fake, that it was going to just shatter and go everywhere. It didn't. It kept working. I'll give them credit for that. But this one has a chemical resistant, the lens is chemical resistant to prevent hazing. It is the overall light. I'm going to say plastic, but it's not plastic. I'm just saying it so you know what I'm talking about. Is glass fiber reinforced chemical resistant nylon construction, not ABS. And these come from, they're made in Taiwan, the real one, not China. But I can tell you overall, the feel of the real one actually is a better feel. And it's just amazing at how close they came, I mean, to doing it. But I don't know if you can tell or not, the color difference. The fake one is real shiny black plastic, whereas this one, like they say, is kind of a reinforced, fiber reinforced, and it's not slick like plastic. You can actually feel a little hint of texture to it, and it's not real shiny like plastic is. We all know how shiny ABS plastic is. So I'm going to get that charged up and get it on going to work. And this one I don't know what I'm going to do. I might just keep it around the house, keep it plugged in, so if the lights ever go out or I need an emergency light for the house to work on a car or something, I can use it here. But this one I'm going to take to work, see how well it holds up, and I'll get back to you on that. But that's just the two things that I want to talk to you about. You know, we're doing this to ourselves. We want to blame everybody for it. Hey Cooper, we want to blame everybody for the economy being the way it is, and we want everybody to fix the problem, when all we have to do is look at ourselves. Stuff like this drives prices up. It gives, hey buddy, it gives the real companies a bad name, because like I said, we buy this thinking it's the real thing, and when it messes up and we hear somebody else saying that they want one, no, don't get that, it's a piece of crap, you know. Or we get online and do the reviews at the bottom saying it's a piece of crap, and it ain't even theirs, it's a fake. Yes, I got scammed. Camaro Time got scammed, and it's nobody's fault but his. That's all I can say. So with that said, you guys get out there. If you are looking for an awesome company, I can't say nothing about the light yet because I got to charge it, take it to work, and try it out and everything. Overall, so far, it feels 2/3 better than this one. I'm gonna do it in thirds because, well, I'm gonna do it in thirds because I've got to give this some credit because it is a light and it is working. This one feels better, looks better, and overall handles better, if that makes any sense. So it's right now it's 2/3 better. And once I get it charged up, and if it does like it's supposed to, which I have no reason to doubt that it won't, then it'll be 100% better. Because like I said, overall I can already tell just the way it feels. So with all that said, get out there, and if you're looking for a company to buy a good product from, they're not sponsoring me or anything. They sent me this, and I told them what I was going to do with it. I was straight up with them. I said I'm going to compare it. They offered to send it to me. I didn't reach out to them. I didn't contact them. They contacted me. Super great customer service. Chris Pettit, you're the man. Thank you very much. I look forward to working with this. But you know what I say, guys, get out there and enjoy your car and get you some cool tools, because you're going to need them to work on it. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you so very much for watching. Hope you learned a thing or two.